ChatGPT might be the most widely adopted AI system at the time of this recording. It's powered by OpenAI's GPT models. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformers. Generative means it generates data. Pre-trained means it was trained on a large amount of data. And a transformer is a type of language model architecture. ChatGPT supports multiple modalities. That means inputs to ChatGPT are not limited to one type of data. It's not uncommon for an input to include text as well as an image. Recent iterations of ChatGPT also support voice instructions, and these instructions are becoming more and more like natural conversation. What really makes ChatGPT stands out is a process called RLHF, Reinforcement Learning Human Feedback. This is a part of the model's training where people give feedback on the model's responses, making it extremely powerful when it comes to following instructions. Let's head over to ChatGPT and see how we can leverage this technology. So here I am at ChatGPT, and it's not uncommon to start a prompt by assigning ChatGPT with a persona. So I'm going to say, you are a tech marketing expert. Help us come up with a slogan for our new sustainable AI chip. And I got a few options, including empowering the future with sustainable intelligence and AI innovation meets eco-friendly design. Some versions of ChatGPT also allow you to tap into DALL-E, the image generation tool by OpenAI. So I can go ahead and ask for a logo for this. So generate a minimalistic logo for this chip. And when we prompt image generation, it's always a good idea to give even more details in order to get something very specific. You can play around with different styles, different ideas for color schemes, but this is actually pretty good for a first pass. Now, if my prompt includes a good chunk of text or a little bit of code, I can also divide my prompt up using what's called delimiters. So I'm going to start a new chat and I'm going to say, summarize the following paragraph to a fourth grader. Now I can start a new line, and I can use 3 quotes as my delimiters. So I'll open with 3 quotes and close with 3 quotes. And I'm going to go ahead and copy the beginning of this Wikipedia article on language models. And using these quotes as my delimiters allows me to break up my prompt and lets the model know when an example starts and where it ends. And there I have my summary. If I were to include code, I can also use markdown style ticks as my delimiters. So I can do something like tick Python and then new line and insert my Python function. And then once I'm done, I can close with another tick. So when I have a prompt that includes a few sections, I can help the language model out by using delimiters to divide up the prompt. As you can see, ChatGPT is extremely powerful as it is. Later on, we'll look at how you can customize ChatGPT and create your own GPTs for various tasks.